Glad you're back. I'm open to whatever you want to talk about. What can I do for you? Sent by Copilot. Certainly. Stress is a common part of life, but managing it effectively can significantly impact your well-being. Here are some techniques you can try. Guided imagery. Imagine yourself in a peaceful place, like sitting on a beach, feeling the warm sand, and listening to the waves. You can use guided imagery recordings or practice on your own by closing your eyes and visualizing the scene. Meditation. Meditating brings both short-term relief and lasting benefits. Find a quiet spot, focus on your breath, and let go of stress. Progressive muscle relaxation. Tense and then relax each muscle group in your body. It helps release physical tension. Deep breathing. Breathe deeply and slowly. It calms your nervous system and reduces stress hormones. Go for a walk. Physical activity, even a short walk, can clear your mind and reduce stress. Hugs. Physical touch releases oxytocin, which promotes relaxation. Aromatherapy. Certain scents, like lavender or chamomile, can help you relax. Creativity. Engage in creative activities, like drawing, writing, or playing an instrument. Healthy diet. Eating well-balanced meals supports overall well-being. Leisure activities. Do things you enjoy, whether it's reading, gardening, or watching a movie. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all solution. Experiment with different techniques to find what works best for you. 2.